Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk, and today we are with the Vivo V9, and it is for the perfect selfie, as Vivo always says that this comes with a full view display, and the price is not mentioned at the back. This is a pearl black edition. The other two colors will be the champagne gold and the sapphire blue, and we are going to do the unboxing of the device. There will be a little bit of the camera samples and also the gaming, how the gaming goes on with the device. So keep watching the video for finding out those things. Currently in the box we are getting a warranty card, and there is a silicone back cover, and here we take on the device. The device looks pretty light. It is weighs only 150 grams, and we will put it into for the booting mode. Let it boot, and once it is booted, in the box we are also getting a big charger. This is a fast charging charger, but unfortunately it comes with the micro USB charging slot. This is the USB 2.0, which you can see here, and I still don't know why the company is not coming with the type C yet. There are earphones, which is a good thing, and this looks like pretty much Apple earphones, which come I guess 2 years earlier. So the device is booted. We will go inside and do the first setup. While doing the first setup, there are two options. The fingerprint, you can enroll the fingerprint or face unlock. So I will go with the face unlock. After doing that, the first setup has been done for the device. Let's go and check it out, the design. As far as the design is concerned, here you can see the power button and the volume rocker keys, and they are not tactile, and this has a glossy finish at the back, and you can see it is written designed by Vivo very lightly. I don't know you can see that or not, but device look quite stylish. It has a glossy finish. It comes with a metal, so it is not a plastic body. It has Vivo written at the back, fingerprint sensors at the back. There's dual camera setup with a little bump with LED flash at the side. It comes with the hybrid SIM card slot. There's a 3.5mm jack, micro USB charging slot, and the speaker grills. On the top you will find nothing. There is no infrared port, so don't expect. It comes with a notch, you can see that. So right now I am doing the face unlock. You can see it easily recognizes the face. In the dark also I have tried it, and it works out well. So face unlock is a thumbs up from me, and Vivo has done a good job in the software for face unlocking. And as far as the fingerprint is concerned, the fingerprints work smoother. There is no hesitation. Vivo has always done with the fingerprint, and the face unlock is going on well. So locking system does well. As far as the brightness is concerned, the device looks pretty bright. It looks like an iPhone, but the notch looks little smaller here. As far as the screen is concerned, it is 6.3-inch Full HD display and octa-core processor, Snapdragon 626, RAM is 4GB, memory is 64GB. The rear camera is 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel for taking the portrait shots or bokeh. In the front you are getting a 24 megapixel camera with flash, and also the OS running is Android 8.1 Oreo with FunTouch OS 4.0. As far as the battery is concerned, battery comes with the non-removable battery 3260 milliampere, which I guess is the ideal battery. It depends on how much your usage is, but the battery looks quite good enough, and it has a SOS call. It has some features like a face beauty on the video call, flashlights in the notification, easy touch, blink indicator. So the blinking indicator means that your phone will be on when you are looking into the device. As far as the other setting is concerned, it comes with the OTG support. It has a smart clock. It has a smart wake support. Here is the air operation. I still don't know that AR emojis are there or not, but they are in the AR stickers are there. So you will get the augmented reality stickers in the camera app. As far as the password and fingerprint is there, you can also enroll the fingerprint in the device. It is up to you which suits you better. As far as the display is concerned, there is no perfect setting for putting the apps or the games in the full view display, so something that you should be worried. Maybe they will enroll the software later, but right now it is not present. And there is also one interesting mode which is called the game mode. So the game mode allows when you are playing the game, you will not get disturbed, the notification will not pop up, so it is something good enough for the gamers. And coming to the display again, definitely it looks very much vivid, and now it is up to the developers how they will put and organize the top layer with the notch. And you can see it is very minimalistic design. The softwares are very less, and what I have installed is the Asphalt. Other than that, there is WhatsApp, Facebook, WPS, Newspoint, Flipkart, Amazon. This I haven't installed, and most probably this is going to be sale on both Flipkart and Amazon. And in the offline, Vivo has a big retail partnership, so definitely they will go with that. Here you can see the settings will pop out once from the bottom. And now here I'm going to the YouTube to show you how the video plays around. So putting and starting a video of Gizmomaniacs on, let's try out here. So the ad we can't skip, but other than that, we are starting a YouTube video, and in the video the audio is pretty loud. It doesn't come with the hi-fi chipset, which is not supported in this phone. Here you can see there is a black strap on both the sides. The strip is there, so it is not the full view experience. I tried to zoom in also, so this is the maximum what you can fit. Either YouTube will come with the 18:9 display, or maybe Vivo will put some software effect, but currently it is playing in 16:9, which is like you are not using the display fully up to the potential. That is something which is missing, I found that. Now coming to the gaming, we will try and play out Asphalt 8. So the gaming was not on lag, there is no issues regarding that. It plays very easily. It comes to 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB internal storage. It has an expandable memory of 256 GB, and definitely it comes with the Snapdragon 626 octa-core processor. So there is no feel of lag or sluggish. And the gameplay of heavy game definitely can pick it up. There is no heating issue in the first impression. I have played it for few minutes, but it went on well, so there is no complaint on the gaming side or heating issue, so that is thumbs up. But regarding the battery, we have to check how the battery performs and goes on for such a gaming or high intense graphic games. Now coming to the one more important aspect is the camera. The rear camera comes with the 16+5 megapixel camera, and it can take the portrait shot. Going to the settings, here you can see it has a timer, it has a shooting mode where you can put into normal, full frame or the square, whatever it feels you. Touch or voice or palm activated, you can put the camera. Storage you can change. It can shoot 4K, that is a good part, and it has a full HD in the SD part also. There is a live shooting mode, so you can put a live photo. As far as the other modes are concerned, it comes to the Ultra HD, dock, there is time-lapse, slow-mo. There is a portrait mode which you can play around with the lens. There is a HDR mode which you can change on and off. And coming to the other modes in the bottom, here you can see there is a professional mode, there is a panorama mode, there is a face beauty mode, there is also take photo, the normal photo, the video mode, and the AR sticker. So the AR sticker is something highlight thing. So taking out the AR, we can put it out and play around. It puts on the face, so definitely a face is required to put on the AR sticker. I will show you those in my sample images, and currently I'm skipping that part of the AR thing. And the front camera comes with the 24 megapixel, which is actually great. And there are also filters in the bottom. You can change it to the sapphire blue color and the other colors. As far as the front camera is concerned, it takes a good selfie and definitely a bright one. Here, once you take the photo in the portrait mode, you can edit the blur. The blur effect can be changed, so that is not the big thing. As far as the concern of the cutting of the edges, it takes average, so it is sometimes hit and miss. It is not perfect like we have seen in some other devices, but definitely that is okay. It may be updated with the software thing, not a big issue for the company. Here you can see I am playing around with the aperture setting in the app itself. Now going to check the camera samples what we have taken. I will go and take it you out there. Here we have tried some bokeh mode. This is the normal front mode, this is the portrait mode. I am trying with the AR stickers, it came out well. This is the normal panorama shot, the normal bokeh effect. We have tried and plenty of shots with this images, so the camera is okay, it takes a good photo. The front camera is very impressive here, and the front face display is something very attractive. As coming to the price point, the price point what we expect is 22,000 to 23,000 in the market. Not sure till now, but it will be less than 25,000. So this is all about Vivo V9. This is at the rate ioldmonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.